Mama, Mama, you know I love you. Mama, Mama, you're the queen of my heart. Your love is like tears from the stars. Mama, I just want you to know loving you is like food to my soul. Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng ating magigiting na ina. At sana po ay ma-enjoy ninyo ang araw na ito na laan lamang para sa inyo. And God bless you all. At syempre, binabati ko rin po ang aking napaka-cute na ina. Happy Mother's Day sa'yo, Mama. And I love you always.